This is a aircraft approved, aeronautical approved metal buckle, which is in two parts, and it's separated by pushing out the male part of the buckle and the female part. Reassembly is the same. And that is totally and utterly locked in place. The adjustment is on the male part and it is pre-adjusted, probably a bit of a flaff, so that it's just right, but that will not allow any movement whatsoever. It's aircraft approved and probably incorporated on military buckling as well. Now, I've not seen this type before, but it's a stamped, two stamped pieces of metal, so production was obviously easier. It's also low profile, a very clever buckling concept idea. This is on a commercial airliner circa 1960s, a French Caravelle, so perhaps this is a European concept. The harnessing of the strapping, and that is double stitched, and then it's put on this time. Very clever, absolutely aeronautically approved, and you can virtually make these yourself. What a clever device it is, simple to disassemble and to reassemble.